should be wary. Still I venture someplace scary. Ghostly haunting, I turn loose. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a bit. It's been very hectic for the past couple weeks, and I've been sick and all this stuff like that. But if you can't tell, I am currently dressed as Lydia Deetz, unfortunately without my dress because I did this costume last year, but I didn't get a chance to film it. So if you guys would like to see how I turned myself into Lydia Deetz, please keep watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you are going as her this year, or if you're excited for another character that I might be doing this year. If you guys want to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my links are down below. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, facebook.com/IHaveTheNightArt. We're going to be doing a giveaway at the end of the actual Halloween series this year, so here's hoping I get all my videos done. And if you guys want to see how I did this, please keep watching. I'm a little tan and I have a little redness. Well, we're gonna go back to the days of me being super pale. I'm gonna be using some new brushes today that I got way back like a month and a half ago, and they're by Anjou, and they came in an 8-pack. But I'm going to prime my face with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Face Primer in Partners in Prime. It's just a matte one. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me, the thing is backwards, this is in 102, this is the lightest shade they make, and the Manic Dreamtone foundation in Virgin. I'm going to take a little drop of this and some of this and throw this onto my face. Now, I'm not wearing the costume that I actually wore last year, which was the dress. I'm just wearing a tank top currently because it's still in the heat of summer and it's really hot, and I wanted to get these filmed for you guys because there's a lot of things going on and I'm not going to be able to get these filmed. The Anjou brush that I was talking about, these come in really cool colors actually. So I'm just going to take this and put this all over my face. Oh, it looks so light. This is so weird. I haven't worn makeup in about a month, mostly just because I've been sick. So this may or may not go on the way I want it to. Once you got that done, we are going to go in with the Coty Spun powder and translucent. Now, normally I usually do my eyebrows before I do setting, but because it's such a dark color, I'm going to set my face first because Lydia's eyebrows are super dark and my eyebrows are kind of close to that color already, but it's just a lot easier. If you're going to go for brighter colors or unnatural style hair colors, that would work really well to do them first before you do your setting. Oh my gosh, I really like these brushes so far. They're super soft on your face. It's really nice to kind of treat yourself and to get some new brushes. I believe this brand is cruelty free. There's no shedding, there's no pull, there's nothing, which is really nice. This is kind of what I look for. And the best part is it's $8 because I was looking for, you know, brushes I was eventually gonna kind of destroy. I'm gonna be using a small little Wet n Wild single shadow because I don't have any eyebrow stuff. I don't ever do my eyebrows unless it's for a look, and very rarely I do. So the brush I'm going to be using for this is not an Anjou brush. It's just a Wet n Wild brush because I personally like it better because it's smaller. Take this and I'm essentially going to follow my eyebrow hairs and just kind of sweep this in here on a character's brows. Sometimes I'll start at the beginning, sometimes I'll start at the end of mine and just kind of work my way up, but I'm going more based off the Winona Ryder version of Beetlejuice, which everybody has seen. Not a lot of people know that there's actually a cartoon. I mean, a lot of people manage it, and I don't know how or why, but you really can't mess up filling in your own eyebrows. I apologize if you hear any dogs barking in the background. Those are my neighbor's annoying little dogs, and I hate them. And I feel like Charlie Chaplin with these really dark eyebrows right now. Or eyeballs, which is kind of where all the magic happens. I'm not really going to use a dark brown taupe color because I like the red color. I think it's more dramatic, honestly, and it's a lot more fun to play with. I don't really have a contour that goes with this because I'm so pale, so I don't have any cool toned contour colors. Maybelline Color Tattoo 24 Hour into Cool. I love this. I use this as an eye base constantly, so this is one of the brushes I already had that I really like for this. So we're gonna put this on our eyes. I don't really use an eye primer if I'm gonna be using this, which is pretty much all the time now. I used to, and then I realized it was kind of redundant. Once you have that, we can go into playing with the reds. I'm gonna note again, if you find you're having an allergic reaction, please do not use any type of red colored pigments or anything near your face. It's not supposed to go near your eyes in general. So the white I'm using is from this little Ellie color set. Personally, I really like their whites. I don't get it. They're, for some reason, theirs are the best that I've seen so far. Everyone's gonna be screaming in the comments below, "You're supposed to use a flat brush." For the crease area, I'm gonna be taking this NYX Primal colors in Hot Red, and I love this stuff, guys. Like, I love this stuff. I use caution, put this on very lightly. If you want a darker color, wet your brush first, and then dip into it. For my eyeliner, we are going to use the handy dandy e.l.f. cream liner and Kat Von D tattoo liner and a liner brush once I find it. We're just going to dip into this. Who am I kidding? You guys have seen all my tutorials. You know how I do this. Okay, so I don't know where that stopped recording, but my eyes are done. I just went over it with the tattoo liner. I just realized I forgot concealer. That would explain a lot. We're having all sorts of technical difficulties today, but we're gonna sweep this under our eye. Be careful not to get it in your eyeball like I just did. I know that Lydia doesn't wear lipstick, but personally I really like wearing lipstick with a lot of my darker characters, so I'm taking a eye pencil thing. This is NYC, this is a Reunited. This is an eyeliner actually, but it's okay. I don't know where my black lipstick went. Usually I use the Wet n Wild Fantasy markers, but this is an LA Colors color stick. I literally got this at the dollar store last year in a pinch, so I'm just gonna put this on my lips and then throw a wig on and the hat and we're done. Normally I would advise putting on the wig before lipstick, but this isn't like a glossy lipstick, so it's okay. Pin my hair up at the top here, which means I'm just gonna put a barrette in it. Now that my hair is getting longer, I actually have to braid it so it stays up, otherwise it doesn't cooperate for anything. And when I put my wigs on, it's usually back to front about. Alright, so that is it for this look. This hat is actually from Walmart. I got it for like $2. Unfortunately, it's a little small for this wig, but I appreciate you guys watching this tutorial, and I am so excited for Halloween. It's ridiculous. I figured this would be a nice and easy thing for you guys to throw together, and I hope you guys like the rest of the series, and I'll see you guys in the next video.